This fitting guide is for the TA4768. Inside the box you will find 10 individual pieces. First, take the cover for the base of the double seat. Pull the double seat forward. Pull the elasticated strap around the base of the seat. And then pull the cover around the rest of the seat. Next, take these anchor points and tuck them into the back of the seat. Put this small elastic strap around and underneath the back corner of the seat. This small hook and loop tab fastens onto itself at the front of the seat. Next, take the base cover for the individual seat. Slide the double seat back and slide the single seat forward. As with the double seat, loop the elasticated strap over the front of the seat and pull the cover down around all sides. Like before, this small elasticated strap goes over and around the back corner of the seat. You need to do the same thing on the other side of the seat in between the single seat and the double seat. This area can be a little bit tight to work in. Take the long part of the cover and push it through to the back of the seat. Making sure to tuck down the sides of the cover as you do so. Slide this seat back and secure the small hook and loop at the front of the seat. Next, find the backrest cover with 3 holes on the top and line them up with the passenger side rear seat by using the seat belt. Pull the middle seat down to give you room to work, followed by pulling this seat forward and removing the headrest. Loop the cover over the backrest and secure it around the headrest fixings. Pull the seat belt forward and secure the hook and loop fastenings down the side. This hook and loop panel simply secures to the back of the seat. And this small tab of hook and loop does the same. You can now fold the seats back up and feed this anchor point through to the back of the seat. This can be quite difficult to push this anchor point through. Take the last large back piece cover, pull the seat forward and remove the headrest. Undo all of the hook and loop fastenings on the back of the cover, loop it over the seat and secure it around the headrest fixings. Pull the cover down at the back and secure it in place using the hook and loop. You can also now fasten the hook and loop on the side of the cover. Push the seat back into its normal position and push the final anchor point through to the back of the seat, making sure to secure the cover around the plastic housing. Take the piece with a large hole in the middle, pull down the central armrest, and slide this cover over the top of it. The tab at the top of the armrest goes through this hole. Tuck the cover through and underneath the armrest. And put it through at the top to secure the hook and loop. This area again can be pretty tight. You can now close the armrest. Grab the central piece, which looks like this. Lower the middle section of the seat and remove the headrest. Undo all of the hook and loop fastenings and wrap the cover around the middle section of the seat, securing beneath just one of the headrest fixings this time. Fold down the armrest again. Line the cover up at the top. Wrap it around the middle and secure the hook and loop on the side. This is again secured to the back of the seat using hook and loop. Take the small piece with the anchor point. Feed the anchor point into the bottom of the middle part of the seat. Once you have done that, secure it around the top two corners and feed through the two hook and loop tabs. Push these tabs through in an upward motion to make this easy for you. And pull them out from behind the armrest. They then simply attach to this part of the hook and loop. You can now close the armrest. All three of the headrests are exactly the same size and are fitted in the same way, which is done by pulling the cover over the front of the headrest first, wrapping it around the back, and securing the hook and loop. Once you have put covers on all three of the headrests, you can pull the seats forward to give you more room to work and put all three of the headrests back to their normal position. Your seats are now fully protected.